Hi there. So today's changes are actually far more simple, but I think they're still worth sharing. I worked on making this properly responsive, which perhaps many of you are going to appreciate if you try out the product. Well, let's ignore all of this, of course. Um, so yeah, I worked on the interface trying to make it make sense on mobile. Um, so for example, here, let's see. Hmm. I wonder if I should have recorded this on my phone. So, so yeah, I guess this is a nice aspect ratio. This is a Samsung Galaxy A51. So this is how it would look on that kind of device. It's possible to adjust here the size of the messages interface and of the animation. Let's try an easy one. Let's try again. Like for example, here it made a mistake. Like I was trying to illustrate the different, so like comparing linear growth with exponential growth, but I want to tell it, oh, I ran out of credits. Oh, so I ran out of credits at my own company. That's funny. It's very hard to switch accounts. I need to give myself a proper discount code to keep testing this in production. So yeah, as you can see here, there's a simplified version of the progress bar and the real-time updates that fits very well on mobile. So here right now, I asked it to render an animation that illustrates exponential growth overtaking linear growth in the y-axis. So we're going to see if it gets that one right. Okay, yeah, so here's the result. Well, what I wanted is more like showing that the exponential growth could overtake the linear growth at a later point, because sometimes it starts slow and linear growth is farther in the y-axis at first, but then the exponential growth overtakes linear growth as you keep moving further in the x-axis. Anyways, so yeah, that's the idea. It's always possible. Obviously, what I want next is to be able to make like a surgical change, like a very specific small change in the code, and then being able to re-render the modified version. So here in this case, it would probably take like a small change in the code to change the rate, perhaps, of the linear growth to make it a little sort of like more steep, to put it that way, at first, and sort of like also reduce the growth rate of the red one. So anyways, those are the changes that I would make. But for now, this is what it looks like. You can try it out now on your phone. Before a few days ago, that was impossible, but now I worked out the features that will allow you to test this out right from your phone. So as always, feedback is welcome. Thank you for watching, and I would appreciate if you would share it with your friends or anyone who might enjoy using Mathify. Thanks.